Hello, in this video I want to show you the top tricks you can use on a OPPO Reno5 Z camera. So first let's open the camera, and the first trick would be to go for the settings. Here find advanced settings and then enable quick launch gestures. And now if we lock our device, this setting allows us to double press volume key on either direction. So let's click on it and it will open our camera. Now let's go for the next trick, or rather tip, which is to go for the settings again, find the resolution, video resolution, and make sure that you're using 4K. Some of the settings might not work then, but your pictures will have almost 4 times the quality as a normal 1080. So that's very nice to enable, and by default it's in 1080. So just enable that. Next is to disable the shutter sound, and that will make no sound when we take pictures. But let's disable the timer. So now the shutter sound is enabled. Now if we disable it, there's no sound. Next option is that you can scroll down right here and change some of the settings quickly, like a frame. So that's aspect ratio of your photos, but that might change the resolution. You can add timer or enable 48 megapixels right here. Another trick is to click somewhere on the screen where you want to focus the light, and that way you'll be able to change the light and temperature of your photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.